Welcome to our guide on making your money work for you in 2024. Imagine turning a small investment today into a substantial fortune in just a few years. Sounds exciting, right? Let's dive into how you can strategically grow your wealth and make your money double or even triple over time. First things first. To build wealth, you need to understand two key factors: time and the rate of return. With a smart approach, you can potentially double your investment every few years. Over a decade or two, this strategy can lead to impressive results. But before we jump into where to invest, let's talk about something even more important: protecting what you have. Before you start investing, it's crucial to secure your foundation. That means having the right protection in place. Think about this. What happens if life throws an unexpected challenge your way? Without protection, your entire financial plan could fall apart. So, step one is to safeguard yourself and your family with health insurance, life insurance, and a solid emergency fund. Health insurance is a must, especially for your parents as they age, and for yourself to keep premiums low. Make sure you have both corporate and personal health insurance. And don't forget life insurance. A term plan is your best bet for ensuring your loved ones are financially secure if something happens to you. Aim for a cover that's at least 15 to 25 times your annual salary. Next up is your emergency fund. This is your safety net for when life's little surprises come along. A good rule of thumb is to have at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses set aside. Keep it accessible. Split it between a fixed deposit, a bank account, and some cash on hand. This way, you're always prepared no matter what. Now that your foundation is solid, it's time to look at where to invest. Not all investments are created equal, so it's important to match your choices with your risk tolerance. Let's break it down. For those who prefer playing it safe, low-risk options like fixed deposits, FDs, Provident funds like EPF and PPF, and the National Pension Scheme, NPS, are great places to start. These investments offer stability and are designed to protect your money over the long term. FDs are perfect for preserving your capital, while EPF and PPF are excellent for retirement savings, giving you a steady return with minimal risk. And don't overlook gold. While it's not entirely risk-free, it's a more stable option compared to other asset classes. Consider sovereign gold bonds, SGBs, for a government-backed way to invest in gold with added benefits like interest earnings. Remember, the key to successful investing is starting with a strong foundation and then choosing the right mix of assets that fit your goals and risk tolerance. With time on your side and smart decisions, 2024 could be the year you take your wealth to new heights. So what are you waiting for? Start planning your investment journey today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on building a secure financial future.